Niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, it was hot day. Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in a hard way. But got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you loving magic, not saw shade. Still going bad on you anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my wig, and of course this is a closure, but you can't tell, can you? The information to this hair will be in the description box, so don't forget to click that and see all the specs on this hair. I also did an initial review on the wig when I first got it. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna do the half up, half down sleek ponytail style that I've been loving. And I'm just starting off by parting the hair on each side and pinning the ponytail up. I'm going to use my Cara wax stick to lay whatever flyaways that I may have. I haven't bleached my knots, but if you want, you can. I just use liquid foundation and powder sometimes. I really want to try the Sally Hansen spray tan, which I've heard good things about, but I just haven't gone around to buy it yet. But if you have used the Sally Hansen spray tan, please let me know if it is worth buying it, because I don't want to buy it and then end up messing up my closure, because I know it looks good, but does it, like, I don't know, like, I just want to know if it's worth buying or not. My closures are already plucked, so you want the closure to look very natural. But anyway, I'm just going to straighten my hair out because I want it to be sleeky and fleeky, and I will be right back. You guys, this hair is really bomb. I only had to do one pass with the flat iron, but now I'm just taking the hot comb and just making sure I'm getting the roots of this closure as flat as possible because that is also key. And then I'm going to be using a rubber band because they hold tighter than the regular scrunchie and bringing my hair up into a flat ponytail. Don't mind my wig sliding back. You can see my wig cap. I just want to make sure this ponytail doesn't get any bumps because that's super annoying. So I'm pretty sure you know what I'm doing here. I didn't want to do the bowl cap method, so I'm just trying to camouflage the thick band with this wig cap by using the foundation. And now I'm just going to take the mousse and slightly lay my baby hairs. And that is literally all, you guys, with a 4x4 closure. Until next time, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already.